Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And as you can see, we have a box from Madame Glam. Thank you, Madame Glam, for sending this over. So, what it is the December collection. This collection is called Merry and Bright. We've got all 8 polishes and we're gonna get them out and have a look. Alright, so we have 4 creams and 4 glitters. It looks like the creams are in a variety of reddy, pinky, mauve shades, and then the glitters, maybe gold, silver, or maybe gunmetal, and then a green, but we're gonna look at them. Let's get all up on it. So this first one is called Midnight Glam. So this one, it does appear to be a little hard to see in the camera, but I hope you can see it enough. It's like this dark plum. I would say it is in the purple family, but like it is a very earthy purple, I guess. Let's make a swatch. Yes, when you spread it out a little bit, you can see it better. I think that's a really nice color. It is very opaque, very rich. I like that. The next one is called Ruby Winter. This one's a little bit more red than the last one. It is easier to see. This one's also a cream, of course. This actually, I think, would make a really nice shade of lipstick. Let's make a swatch of it as well. That is very nice. Same smooth, creamy application as the last one. I expect they'll all be the same. They usually are. Madame Glam does make high quality gel polishes. Next we have Iced Rose. Now I would call this one a dusty rose, which is a pretty popular shade in the cosmetic industry, I would say. Would make a very nice lipstick, a very nice eyeshadow. You can really pull a whole look together with a shade like this. It's super cute. I like it a lot. Swatchy swatch. Very pretty. I did a poor job getting it on that side. Now we have Snowy Beige. This is the nudiest of the shades that came in this collection. It is more white than I would say I would typically choose for a nude. I like to go for more of a peach or pinky shade. This one's more of like, it's nude if you were low on protein. But it is a very versatile color because it's a neutral. So you can really use this for all kinds of seasons. Let's do a swatch. Maybe we'll do better than the last one. Yeah, look at that coverage. It's light and yet it's still opaque. Even in one coat. All of these are just one coat. Typically, you are recommended to do 2, but you may not really have to. Time for the glitters. We have Santa's Treasure. Ooh, now that is sparkly. When I think of Santa, I don't typically associate him with treasure, but if he was gonna have one, I bet it would look like this. That is so beautiful. Let's do a swatch. Alright, now as is typical with glitters, if you want full coverage on this one, you are gonna have to do a couple layers. You can see through this. So that does make it usable as a topper if you just want to put some gold sparkles on one of these other colors, or if you want to build up the coverage or even use the sponge method to get it on there densely. It would look gorgeous. Next we have Midnight Magic. This is a lovely silver glitter. This is the one that I was like, is it silver? Is it gunmetal? What is it? I do believe I see some hollow glitters in there as well. I love silvers. I think when it comes to silver or gold, I usually lean towards silver more often than not. Let's make a swatch. Yeah, this is gonna be kind of the same story. It is see-through, but you can build it up. If I hold it right here, I think that's the clearest. And yes, I do see a little bit of hollow here and there. Very pretty. Frosty Fantasy. Now this one, I am not sure what to expect. Okay, so it is also a silver, but it looks like instead of hex glitters, it's actually flakes and maybe a little bit more sparsely spread. Huh, let's check it out. This is a thick boy, look at it. The glitters are, though. Oh, I like that a lot. Not that the other ones aren't glamorous, but I think this one has more like white glitter, and then those flakes are also hollow. That is frosty looking. I like it. It's gorgeous. Last but not least, Glam Mistletoe. Oh yes, how pretty is that? It is a traditional Christmas green, and it also does have some hollow glitters in there as well. Very shiny, very glittery. Let's make a swatch. Interesting. So on the camera, it kind of looks gray, but it's not. It is very obviously green. Interesting. So these are our shades for today. I am going to go ahead and cure them, and while I'm doing that, I am going to decide what colors we're going to use for today's nails. Alright, I've made a decision, and it was really difficult because they're so pretty. I'm going to go for this second to darkest red and this glittery green, because this glittery green, I don't know if you can tell, but it has some red sparkles in here that I feel like match that polish pretty well. So that's what I'm going to go for, and then we're actually going to do some snowflake stamps on top. I am going to paint these on in fast forward, and on top of that I'm going to read to you the description for this collection. It's really beautiful. This December we embrace the magic of the season with the Merry and Bright collection. Whether you're celebrating cozy gatherings or ringing in the new year, these rich holiday-inspired shades will make your nails shine at every celebration. Each shade is crafted to bring holiday magic to your nails with rich, vibrant color that glides on effortlessly for a smooth, even finish. These festive hues deliver a dazzling, long-lasting shine that's perfect for every celebration. From cozy nights by the fire to New Year's Eve festivities, with every swipe your nails will sparkle like the holiday lights, adding a touch of seasonal glitz to every moment. All right, looking good. I am gonna have to build up some coverage on those middle ones. I think I'll probably do 2 coats and then we'll check and see if we need a third, but these other ones look fabulous. We do need to cure these for 60 seconds, so I will do that and come back. All right, let's get us a second layer of the glitter. And then you'll want to go back and wipe off your brush because it really just does load a lot on here. And then wipe off the excess. Don't forget to wipe your sides and pat your end. We want sharp edges. All right, we need to do another 60 seconds. All right, let's have a look-see. I think it's looking real good. Now, when I hold this up in the light, I can see through these. So I could do a third layer, but I don't think it's necessary. Let's get us a lint wipe and pour a little alcohol on there and wipe the sticky off of these because they are sticky. Especially these cream ones, they don't have a lot of slide even after you wipe it off, which is interesting because the glittery ones do. All right, they are sticky free. So it is time to put our nail art on here before we top coat. These you can kind of feel the texture, but the top coat will take care of that. Let's back this up. So I've got this paper towel, I've got this stamping plate and some white polish. I'm gonna start with it facing this direction. And I've got a scraper and a stamper. Nail stamping makes nail art so much easier than it would be if you had to do it by hand. Look at that. And then we go ahead and pop it on over here. That nail's decorated. I could never do it so quick and easy by myself. We'll clean them up after we get it all stamped. Luckily, there's enough space in this section for me to get a few stamps without having to actually clean the plate yet. That speeds up our efforts. Gorgeous. And let's get some for the thumb. Perfect. Use a lint roller to clean that off. Now, for the green ones, we're gonna be a little bit more specific because we don't want a whole bunch like we did on these other ones. So I'm gonna take this one by itself, and if we pick up more than we need, we just clean it off with our lint roller. And then I'm going to put this one here in the middle of this nail. I don't know how much of that you could see, but I could. Okay. If you do nail stamping, you will know that it is very difficult to actually get them in the middle, and I am notoriously bad at it. It's actually more to this side. I cannot, for the life of me, get them to be centered. I don't know what the problem is with me. We're going to move on. We're going to do 2 on this one. I think I'd like to have this guy here. I put it on the edge so that we wouldn't pick up too much extra. And then I'm going to take it up here, right there, partially off. And then we're going to grab this one here. And then we're going to go down here, partially off. I think that's cute. Now we just got to clean up all the excess. Just get a cleanup brush and dip it in acetone, and then you can wipe this extra away. Alright, now we'll go in with the Madame Glam No Wipe Top Coat to seal in our stamps. If you were top coating with regular nail polish, you would need to do a quick dry top coat first so that you don't ruin these. Gel doesn't do that, so we don't have to worry about it. And we'll wash my hands after because there's some crusty bits. Don't want to ruin my stamps though, so we got to get those sealed first. Alrighty, 60 seconds in the lamp. Alright, let's have a look-see. That is so pretty. Look how shiny it is. I like that a lot, and I like these colors. Quick and easy and beautiful. We've got a whole fancy nail set. Now there is a link in the description and a discount code. I believe it's for 35% off. You can definitely use that, and if you do choose to sign up for their membership, the amount you pay each month, which I believe is $20, goes towards your bank. So it's basically like buying yourself a $20 gift card each month, but then you also get 50% off your purchases, which is a really great deal because these polishes are a bit expensive, but of course they are. They're good polishes. Also, they are HEMA-free, 21 formula-free, palm oil-free, and vegan cruelty-free, which is great if you are concerned about ethical manufacturing. Let me go ahead and get you some photos. I'll insert those here. Thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it to the end. You know I like making them, and so I hope that you like watching them. Definitely do be following my socials. I do post things over there that sometimes don't make it over here, and you don't want to miss it. Make sure you have hit that subscribe button so you're not missing the videos that I do post, and if you want, you can turn the bell on so you get notified. Otherwise, you'll just find it when they show up in your feed. And if you like this video, hit the like button. The algorithm thanks you, and so do I. And once again, thank you to Madame Glam for sending this over so we could have a look. Be on the lookout for some photos as well of some of these other polishes because they are just too pretty not to take photos of. So Absolutely, I will. But that's really it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.